Hey everybody,
Hello.
it's time for 2 minutes at the tent, but we're not in the tent today. We haven't set up the tent yet because we're not to camp, but we're just enjoying lunch right now.
Yeah.
So we're just doing a recap of day 16, which was Sunday, July 10th. So what did we do yesterday?
So yesterday we woke up at Shaw's. We had their delicious big breakfast, and after breakfast, we packed everything up. Well, we were pretty much already packed up, and we hopped in the van and headed back to the trailhead. And we're back in the game! Yay!
So we got dropped off about 8:30 yesterday at the trailhead. Walked a nice, easy 9 miles. It was a nice change from that 100-mile wilderness.
Yes! Oh my gosh!
We breezed through it, took a couple of nice little breaks and stuff. And then we actually got to camp like really early, like 2:30. We set up, and then we napped off and on from like 3 or 4 until about 8 o'clock. And then we just went to bed. So it was a pretty uneventful day yesterday.
Yeah.
Nice. So,
It's proof that the host at Shaw's, his name is Poet, he said the next few days are going to be proof that Maine is not trying to kill you. So,
yeah.
yesterday was really nice. Today so far is pretty good too, but we're going to put some more miles in.
Yeah,
so.
today we're trying to do 14, get over Moxie Bald, and then set up camp over there. So, all right. Well, we're just about at 2 minutes, so I guess that's it. We're going to eat lunch and have some electrolytes and get back to hiking. All right.